Richard, there's an emergency. There's been a kidnapping. It's Rachel, the daughter of the president of Cercia. The kidnapper is believed to be Sharudo, the last blood relative of the royal family. He lives in an old castle on the Northwest Island. He's demanding military secrets in exchange for Rachel's life. The deadline is sunset. We don't have much time. Get into the castle and rescue Rachel. The organized crime syndicate Wild Dogs is also known to be involved. Good luck, Richard. Danger! Reload! Action! New record!
It's all over. Top of that tower. The girl's at the... She must be dead by now.
No! Don't come! It's a trap! Look out! Let me go! Richard! Ah! Oh no!
Your father will pay the price for destroying the imperial rule. This nation will soon be mine. Ah, the taste of revenge is sweet. What happened? What? You are the fool who came to rescue Rachel. So, my name is Sharudo. I rule this nation now. Since you have traveled so very far, be my guest and let me entertain you. There he is! Gotcha! There! Fire! Freeze! Halt! Where is he? Get him!
Shucks! Shoot him! There! Sometime, somewhere, someone is plotting a government overthrow. A small republic is in danger. It's time for the one-man army. Richard Miller, Rachel McPherson, Sharudo Gatto, Wild Dog. Time crisis. We've been invaded. Never mind. My men will gun him down. How could you? You killed my boss. What do I do now? I can't let things end this way. Since I have the upper hand, having the girl and all, I'll press my luck. You wait here. You're finally here to save me. Now, let's end this once and for all, just to be sure. Freeze! Both you and this stinking castle can burn for all I care. So long. Hold it. Ah!